Hello, Cynthia. I was a bit confused about what you were asking me in your phone message that I received. So I thought I would record this video just going over some things about rubrics, and maybe you'll find the answer in what I'm talking about. So here is a rubric that I've attached to this assignment here. And I've got two criteria, which is similar to yours. You have rubrics with two criteria. And if you notice, I've got I've got the same scale but different ranges. So this one is 10 to 8 points. This one's 10 to 9, 8 to 7, 9 to 7, 7 to 6, 7 to 6, 6 to 0. So you get the idea. One of the things that you do when you create an assignment with a rubric is you attach the rubric before you do the point total. If you do the point total before you and then hit save and then attach the rubric, the point total will not match here. So what you want to do is to make sure you go in and edit. And if you have to manually change the point total to match the rubric, then you can do that. Just do it right here. So let's take a look. Let's go in and look at grading the rubric. So here's one I just did. It's a text submission. So I click on view rubric, and here it is. Here's the rubric. Let's pull it out to look at it. Here's the assignment here that I can look at. Okay, to grade, all I have to do is click, say the APA formatting, he's 10 to 8. It puts a 10, but I want to change it. It's really about a 9. Maybe a 9 point, let's say a 9.2. On resources, he falls into this range. It's pretty good. It's by default it's the highest score, but let's put a 8.5 there. And you can add comments into these boxes there if you want. Once you've done this, then you hit save. And there's the total points. So now I'm just going to go here and manually put that in there. Then I can hit submit. And then if I close that, close this, and just refresh it there. And there's the grade.